What's going on, everybody? Real quick, Monday morning, want to give you a quick update and little tidbit on some stuff that I think might be helpful. A lot of folks right now looking to get into flipping properties, right? It's sexy, it's attractive. Everyone wants to do it. I think one of the biggest misconceptions that people have when they go to flip a property is the hidden expenses, or what's called the soft costs, right? So if I look at a property and I can pay $100,000 for it, right, and the property potentially needs $20,000, and I can sell it for $140,000. On the surface, it looks like right there I've got a $20,000 profit. Guys, you have to factor in closing costs. You have to factor in realtor commissions. You have to factor in holding costs. If you don't use your own money and you borrow hard money, right, or you borrow private financing, there's other costs associated. So I think it's important, if you're going to get into flipping, or if you've ever flipped, or you have a property that you're looking to flip, guys, reach out. Let me see how I can help you. Run the actual numbers, and let's analyze the deal appropriately. Everyone have a great Monday. Have a great week. Let's get out there and get after it.